LG OLED. I'm using this TV as a PC monitor 10 hours a day, every single day. This is a continuous video for 2024 C4 burn-in test. Well, at the moment, we're in a beautiful demo mode. It looks amazing. I'll put a link in the description for that video. The quality is just mind-blowing. But we are here to test for the burning and bad pixels and all kinds of stuff. Anyway, let me pause the video. Hit 0413. You can see 1,144 hours of usage. Anyway, let me pause the video and concentrate on the test. I have to lock the focus. There you go, on the Sony camera. And it is a reflective, so because it's a C version. The B version is less reflective, but it has not such a vibrant colors like the C version. And G is the top G model. Yeah. Okay, no burnings. Red, clean. Green, fantastic. And blue, amazing. Uniformities, 75% brightness, 50 and 25, it's all clean. Color distance, gradients, sharpness, it's very cool to operate and read. No issues at all. Acer Gamma, response time of filming with 60 frames per second, super smooth. And there you go. We also got, just go back to that, we also got a new firmware. Just hold the button for a little bit. I'm in a game mode most of the time. Software update. And it says improve minor bugs in software. It didn't do much. It was a huge update, but no info. Qualities just mind-blowing. 120 hertz. Amazing. So yeah, I think that's all I got for now. Link in the description for it. It's one of the best price to performance TV/monitor in the world at the moment. Well, until the G5 will be available for everyone. But G5 will be twice more expensive. Twice! Is it going to be twice better? I doubt it. And you really don't need a soundbar. Such a quality sound. Amazing. That was the best purchase of 2024. And maybe even 2025, until 25 version get at the same price level. Then I will, well, maybe I will buy another one. Yeah? It's so good. Link in the description for you. See you next video. Bye.